Hey there, Tamir from FIBONACCI'S.com here. I hope everybody's enjoying the long weekend. Welcome for another edition, my top stocks to watch for next week and chart request weekend. You ask, I chart. So without any further ado, please hit the like, subscribe, share with friends. Let's see the charts. We'll go over the weekly charts on my top stocks to watch and the chart requests from followers and Discord members. First name on the list is Spotify, 136. Very tough resistance in the past several weeks. So long above, I would wait for at least 2-3 days closing above the 136. Then we can take long and we use Fibonacci levels to manage our risk. Short below 118, always prepare for both sides because no one knows what will happen next. Follow price, use levels to manage risk, short or long. CVS, trying to bounce off the 73 area. The 73 area is the 618 Fibonacci retracement from this major uptrend from October 2020 towards the high of February of 2022, retraced all the way back to the 618 Fibonacci level, 2 consecutive dojis. Then we had previous week to the upside, now continuation above 79 and we can take long position. Of course, everything you see and hear on this video is for educational purposes only. Always do your own due diligence. Never follow blindly anyone on social media, paid or free services. Follow to get ideas, learn, educate yourself, but in the end of the day, it's up to you. Nobody will take care of your money except you. GDX, Gold Miners ETF. We had cup handle as we identified a few weeks ago and now breaking up and above the 33.50 area. Looking good towards the 36. We have a gap over here at the 36.60 and we know that more than 80% of all gaps will get filled throughout time. So for now, GDX, gold and all the gold stocks, gold ETFs are looking pretty strong. Continuation to the upside. KHC, Kraft Heinz, uptrend, retraced 50%, bounce. Now the 38.70 was a very tough resistance as we can see. Then it became support, broke to the downside, now bouncing back above. We are looking for continuation towards the 40.50. mRNA, Moderna, uptrend, retraced, Fibonacci. Now we are at the 50% area as resistance. Only by looking left, we don't even need Fibonacci. Look left. Why price is here? Because it was a very strong support area. Now it's becoming resistance. So we are looking for continuation towards 167. And as you can see, Fibonacci, swing high, swing low, retraced 38.2. Now let's see continuation towards the 167 and maybe all the way to the 176, which is the 618 Fibonacci retracement. And it also was a very interesting level of resistance, support. So the 176 is the next major level for resistance. We need to keep our eyes on Moderna. NEM, we had this low over here, September, November 2022 lows. Then we had February higher lows. Now we are looking for continuation towards the 55 area and maybe all the way back to this white trend line that helps us to identify the higher highs of this short-term uptrend that started over September of 2022. Overall, NEM is still in a downtrend, but as we can see, it's starting to bounce back up. Only by looking left, we can identify where price came from. What is the trend right now? The trend right now is in an uptrend, so we are looking for continuation up. NOC with a double bottom scenario. We are looking for continuation above the 473 area. Then this double bottom scenario will get validated and we are looking for a bounce continuation towards the 500 and the 517. And of course, once we take long position, we use Fibonacci levels to manage our risk. PAS, Pan American Silver, also double bottom scenario. As you can see, all this area of the 1450 is a very tough support. Bounce, now making higher highs. Let's see continuation. We can take Fibonacci, swing high, swing low, crossing above this 382 Fibonacci level to the upside, continuation towards the 21 area, double bottom on PAS towards 21, 23, and maybe all the way to 2550. 2550 will be a very tough resistance for the bulls. Roblox, RBLX is the ticker. Also we have this low, double bottom scenario. Now let's see continuation above the 46. As we can see, 46 area is a very tough one for the bulls since February of 2022. It was support, broke to the downside, and since then it became a very tough resistance from September. Each and every time price tried to break up close above the 46 area, it got rejected. Now let's see if bulls have enough power in their hands to break up above and continue towards the 54 and maybe all the way to 66.30. RDFN, Redfin Corporation, nice cup handle. If you're a pattern seeker, you can recognize a cup handle. Fibonacci traders, we don't trust patterns. We follow price and use trend lines and Fibonacci levels to manage our risk, and we are waiting for a break up and above the 950 area, continuation above it, at least 2 or 3 days above it. Then we can take long and manage our risk according to the Fibonacci levels. Next major test for the bulls will be this white trend line. As you can see, this white trend line helps us to identify a long-term downtrend since February of 2021. So we can assume with high probability that if we'll get continuation above the 950 area, next area will be the 1290 together with this white trend line. These were my top stocks to watch for next week. Now we will move on. Chart request from followers and Discord members. Before we continue, I would like to ask you just to take 1 second, click the like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share with friends. Will be much appreciated. Help me grow this channel. Thank you. AI. Trend lines are the true support resistance for price action. This trend line is holding strong support resistance for the higher highs since April 2022. Previous week we had a doji on a daily chart, then became the news, and then we had a very steep sell-off towards the 20 area. Not surprising. It doesn't matter if it's news or not. It's all technical analysis, and we can see that this area of the 2021 area is holding strong support. Now, if you're not long on AI, I would wait for some kind of a bounce, 2 or 3 days to the upside. Then we can take long using the 2140 area as our risk management. ARRY, another request from Discord member. We have 1683, 1980, as all this area is a very strong support, but we have also the 2440 as a very tough resistance. So if you're looking to go long, I would wait for at least 1 week closing above the 2440. Until then, sit on hands and do nothing. Short, you can start short below 1980 and add below the 1680. Lucid, another chart request. What do we have in Lucid? Downtrend until proven otherwise. Nothing long on Lucid yet. We can take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high, and now we have levels of resistance to the upside. And if we take it to the downside, 6 needs to hold, otherwise continuing sliding down on this red trend line. MTCH, match group, trend lines are the true support resistance for price action. No other indicators are truly needed. As we can see, we have this trend line that holds as a very tough resistance for the lower highs, and we can take also this trend line. Now we have downtrend channel until proven otherwise. PLTR, Palantir, basically bouncing between the 730 and the 870. Long above towards the 10, 1160, and maybe all the way to 1440. Short below 720 towards 6 to the downside. As you can see, no Fibonacci, no volume, no indicators are needed. True price action, pure price action. If you want to take your trading journey to the highest level and truly understand pure price action, looking left, identifying by yourself support, resistance areas, trend lines, and to be able to identify with high probability where price will be headed next and how to properly manage your risk on the technical side and on the mental side, check the links in the description below. We have 2 programs, one-on-one live mentorship program or the pre-recorded 6 hours, 49 lessons. Both programs, my promise to you, you will get all the tools on the technical and on the mental side to become your own indicator. You will stop following others. And the most important thing with both programs, lifetime access for support and guidance, all Discord channels, lifetime access until you will become your own indicator and you will have the strategy that you can trust and you will able to trust yourself. Check the links in the description below. We have discounts. Pins, Pinterest, uptrend until proven otherwise. Some kind of a chop, but it's in an uptrend. As long as this orange trend line is holding, we can stay long. We can take Fibonacci, swing low, swing high. If you want to wait, you can wait for a break above the 30 and then go long and use this trend line or the Fibonacci levels to the downside as risk management. Ford, price action is getting tighter and tighter. As we can see, 11 area is holding strong support, but we have lower highs. So we are waiting for both sides. Never be biased. Always prepare for both sides. Long above this trend line, short below 11. Fiverr, another request from a Discord member. Nothing special. 4 consecutive dojis circling around the 34 area. So for now, we can do like this. And not surprising, we have uptrend, retracement, 618 Fibonacci level, 4 consecutive dojis, short below 33, long above 35.50. That's it. Pure price action, look left, Fibonacci levels and trend lines. Become your own indicator. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit the like, subscribe, share with friends, will be much appreciated. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more educational resources. Until the next video, enjoy the rest of your weekend.